2018 Kia Sportage cabin air filter. Just pop this on the sides here. One right there, one right there. There are these things that you twist and you pull out like that. Just let them sit in here. I'm gonna have to lift it up a little bit. Just twist. That come out. And on the side here, there's this arm you take off. Just kind of wiggle it off. This will come down. And over here, just squeeze these and pull it back. And then you take this side off and pull out the tab on the other side. Just pull that tab out. Here's the filter. Pay attention to the airflow arrow when you put the new one in. Make sure the airflow is the same way. Pull this out. Got my new one here. Go ahead and put this in. Just slide it in like that. Airflow is the same direction. And then we're gonna put it all back together. Just put this tab in place and then put it. Yep, snap it in place. Make sure it's good. Raise this back up and put the arm back on. Like that. And then just put these back in. Just push it up, put them in, and then twist them. Like that. They might make a clicking noise. So this side, same thing. Just kind of put them in the hole. Like that. That's it, guys. That's how you do a cabin filter on this Kia Sportage.